and RAM to your server. First things first, make sure that we have the server all the way turned off. This light here will turn amber. If that is the case, in the back there's going to be two plugs, one about right here and here on the back side. Go ahead and unplug those at this time, and then this light should turn all the way out. Next step you're going to do is push on these top two tabs here, and then pull these up to pull the server out slowly. Next step is on this top plate here, there is a lock switch that should be unlocked. If it is the arrow is pointing to the left, it will be unlocked. If it is to the right, just grab a key or a flathead screwdriver and turn it to the left. This just pops up, and then push it back. Then the top plate will come all the way off. Your next step is come in. These two little black and blue tabs, just pull up on them to take the shroud out. Your next step, figure out where your RAM is located. If you only have one slot in a white, make sure your white matches all the way across. To take these out, to take your blank out, on the tabs of that specific color, you're going to push each side down, which will loosen the blank. To put the new RAM stick in, place it in the slot, make sure the tab matches with the groove in the socket there, and then slide it in the two grooves on the side, and then push down from each angle. That will lock it in place as you see both of these locked it in. Once you do that through all the sticks, grab the shroud once more. Make sure this groove lines up with this fan here, and it'll slide right in. And you'll hear a little click. Once that happens, grab your top plate, put it towards the back here to have about the same distance that you had when you removed it. You may need to push down a little bit on the front to make that locking mechanism latch with the hook. Once that happens, you just pull the top plate forward, and it'll lock itself back into place, and this will go flat. And then you'll just turn the button on, it'll go green, and you'll be all good.